Hey everyone, Tracie here. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be going over some home weight training exercises that's for full body using some weights like the dumbbells, the barbell, using our power rack. So let's go ahead and get started. So it's really important about keeping healthy and keeping fit is to definitely do not compare to others, but only compare to yourself and definitely your own personal progress. And it doesn't matter how much you could bench, how much you could carry, how much weights you can do. What all matters is your own personal progress. And that's what I've been learning throughout the years. So right here, I am doing the TBar rows when I'm doing 3 sets of 10 reps. And you want to make sure that your back is completely straight while you're doing these rows, and also to make sure that your elbows are going past your chest. And these really work out your lower and mid back section, including your shoulders, your arms, your deltoids, and your trapezius muscle. We're also using our legs and our core as our stabilized muscles as well. So right here, I am doing deadlifts, and I usually do 3 sets of 10 reps. And this is really great exercise to really work out your back, your hamstrings, your quads, your glutes, and also your erector spinal muscle as well. And to also make sure when you're bending down and up again to really straighten your back and not hunch over. I really like this exercise because it really works out multiple muscle groups. So these are dumbbell rows. I usually do 3 sets of 10 reps, and this is very similar to the TBar row, where it's pretty much working out a very similar muscle groups, which is the deltoids, the biceps, your mid, lower back, your shoulders, your arms, and your trapezius muscles. I love it because you're isolating on each side of your arms and your back. And so it just gives me more flexibility, and also it helps build more strength by isolating these muscle groups. So I love Russian twists using the dumbbells. I usually do 3 sets of 20 reps. And I just love working out the ab muscles and the torso. So this is really good, working out the muscles all in the torsos and also the obliques as well, to give it that extra push and that extra challenge. And usually for this, I elevate my legs on top of my upper body so I can feel more of that pull and that strength, and to really build my muscles there. So for dumbbell curls, I usually do 3 sets of 10 reps, and this includes for each arm. And I love this exercise because it really works out the upper arm and the forearm as well. I really get a lot of that push and that pull in the biceps, and I love this because you really get to grow your muscle groups on your arms primarily. So for this exercise, I really make sure that to not swing the arms. If you really want to isolate those bicep muscles and really work it out, and you want it to grow, and if it is heavy weight, then you could totally lower the dumbbell weight and just do more reps. So for military press, I usually do 3 sets of 10 reps, and I love this exercise because usually my deltoids and my triceps are one of my weakest muscles, and I love doing this military press because it really helps me gain strength in those shoulder muscles and my triceps as well. And so this really helped me gain my strength. So for barbell squats, it's one of my favorite exercises. I love doing squats, and I usually do 3 sets of 10 reps. And for this, it usually works out a lot on your glutes, hamstrings, your quads, your calves, and also your erector spinae muscle along your spine as well. Before, I remember I couldn't even do it with a bar. And then now, over the years of doing squats, I over time gained strength to put on more and more weights and to challenge myself further. Also keep in mind to keep your back straight while doing this. So for jackknife sit-ups with the dumbbell, I love this because I always love some ab workouts. I usually do 3 sets of 20 reps, or you could do 10 reps as well, depending on how much your weight is. And I just love it because it really works out the muscles in the torso, definitely in the core, and also you're kind of working out your arms as well, holding the dumbbell. So it really gives it that extra push to really grow your strength and your muscles. So thank you all so much for watching my video and having us work out together. Please let me know in the comments section below what other topics you want me to talk about in regards to health, lifestyle, fitness, modeling, acting, business, etc. And plus let me know what was your favorite exercise that you saw from the video today. Also, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Thank you all again. Bye!